This is a review for the Momen H4 Plus helmet headset.
Installation is simple. It attaches to the supplied bracket, and then the bracket attaches securely to the helmet. There's a large button to power it on. There are separate buttons for volume control as well as answering phone calls and disconnecting phone calls. It's dustproof and waterproof.